Imagine working your whole life to build savings, buy property, and create financial security, only for your family to end up confused, stressed, and fighting over everything after you're gone. Most people think estate planning is only for millionaires or old people, but the truth is, the earlier you plan, the safer your future becomes. In 2026, more young adults, parents, freelancers, and business owners are finally realizing that one unexpected event can change everything overnight. The good news? Estate planning doesn't have to be complicated. There are a few simple basics that can protect your money, your family, and your wishes before it's too late. Today, we're going to break down the top 5 estate planning basics everyone should know early. 1. Create a will before you think you need one. One of the biggest mistakes people make is waiting too long to create a will. Many believe they can do it later in life, but accidents and unexpected situations don't come with warnings. A will is simply a legal document that explains or receives your assets, money, property, or belongings after your death. Without a will, the government may decide how your assets are divided, and that process can become stressful for your family. Even if you don't own a mansion or huge bank balance, having a will still matters. Maybe you own a car, savings account, jewelry, online business, or even personal items with emotional value. A will gives clarity and avoids unnecessary family conflicts. In 2026, digital assets are also becoming important. Things like online accounts, crypto wallets, YouTube channels, and digital businesses should also be included in planning. The best part is that creating a basic will today is easier and more affordable than ever. The earlier you do it, the more peace of mind you create for yourself and your loved ones. 2. Understand the importance of power of attorney. Estate planning is not only about death, it's also about protecting yourself while you're alive. This is where a power of attorney becomes important. A power of attorney is a legal document that allows someone you trust to make financial or legal decisions on your behalf if you become unable to do so. Imagine being hospitalized after an accident or serious illness. Bills still need to be paid, accounts need management, and important decisions may need quick action. Without a power of attorney, your family could face delays, legal complications, and emotional stress just to access your finances or handle paperwork. Choosing the right person for this responsibility is extremely important. It should be someone trustworthy, responsible, and calm under pressure. Many people choose a spouse, sibling, or close family member. The earlier this is prepared, the smoother life becomes during emergencies. 3. Protect your family with beneficiary updates. A surprising number of people forget one small but powerful detail in estate planning: updating beneficiaries. Your retirement accounts, insurance policies, investment accounts, and bank accounts often allow you to name beneficiaries. These beneficiaries usually receive the money directly after your death. Here's the problem. Many people set beneficiaries years ago and never update them. Life changes. People get married, divorce, have children, or lose loved ones. If your beneficiary information is outdated, your assets may go to the wrong person, even if your will says otherwise. This is why reviewing beneficiary information regularly is one of the smartest financial habits in 2026. It only takes a few minutes, but can prevent massive confusion later. Think of it as making sure your money reaches the people you actually want to protect. 4. Plan for medical emergencies early. Most people avoid talking about medical emergencies because it feels uncomfortable. But avoiding the conversation doesn't stop emergencies from happening. A healthcare directive or living will allows you to explain your medical wishes if you become unable to communicate. For example, if doctors need critical decisions during a serious health situation, your family won't be left guessing what you wanted. This can reduce emotional pressure during already painful moments. In today's world, medical costs and healthcare decisions are becoming more complicated. Having your wishes documented early gives both you and your loved ones more control and clarity. It's not about expecting the worst. It's about being prepared and responsible. People often spend years planning vacations, careers, and investments, but spend almost no time planning for emergencies. Yet this one step can make a major difference when life becomes unpredictable. 5. Organize important documents in one safe place. One of the most overlooked estate planning basics is simple organization. Imagine your family trying to find passwords, insurance papers, bank details, property documents, tax records, or legal paperwork during a stressful time. If everything is scattered, it creates frustration and delays. Keeping important documents organized in one secure place is incredibly valuable. This can include physical folders, fireproof safes, or secure digital storage. You should also make sure a trusted family member knows how to access these documents if needed. In 2026, digital organization is becoming just as important as physical organization. People now manage online banking, investments, businesses, subscriptions, and even important memories digitally. Having a list of accounts, passwords, and instructions can save your family from unnecessary headaches. The goal of estate planning is not fear, it's protection, clarity, and peace of mind. Starting early gives you more control over your future and helps the people you care about most avoid confusion and stress later on. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple financial and life planning content.